Good morning. I thought Rocky was here. Rocky! Hi, Rocky! Rocky! There you go.
Got an itchy head but short legs? This cat has the perfect solution. Find a friend. To look after these goats, you must be very patient, especially when you're an orange cat. Gotta make sure these boys finish all their portion, right, buddy?
Did you tell that rooster off? Did you? Is that because you're the ninjiest of ninjas?
Hey, stop, stop. We are caught at the scene. Let's pretend we're strangers. It seems like the prince of the neighboring country and his entourage have arrived. Cat is just so amazing. It's already made friends with the locals. This isn't about being introverted or extroverted. It's more about a genuine and lasting friendship that they have.
Seriously? You're looking them back? Boris. Jesus, Boris.
Tom and Jerry in an alternate universe where eating is more important than fighting. It's hard to approach such a noble deer, but you know, cats never know the meaning of giving up.
Ngapain rekam-rekam, ha? Bosan aku direkam-rekam. Buat naikin viewers, followers, rekam aku ter...
She all up in his business.
When the boss does nothing, neither should you, bunny. If you forget to kiss your cat, don't worry. They have plenty of friends.
Mira el Simón con una araña, pollito. ¡Simón! ¡No! ¡Simón! ¡No!
Wantu's tail's getting in her.
This guy really doesn't know when to stop.
Look at the tail goes right on her nose.
Cat and sloth? Quite an interesting friendship, but well, guess they're all lazy. Playing with your best friend under the gentle, warm sunlight of fairy tales is truly a dream come true. Despite their size, horses are still refined gentlemen.
What the hell is happening? What are you guys doing with the phone? Oh my god, Emma's gonna be mad.
Well, it does put up a bit of resistance to make friends, but not much. Diego and Lola are proof that friendship can blossom in the most unexpected places.
You're gonna get murdered if you don't stop tormenting the cat. He's ready to kill you.
Sometimes I think even at sea, cats would meet someone they know.
So good and tasty?
No matter how extroverted, you'd still be cautious around a stranger, right? Oh, seems like not all cats can be proactive at first meet, huh? Looks like someone will have to spend its saved cat food.
Oh, easy.
Hey, what are you doing up there? My back isn't a seat, you know? Get down now. Believe me, the friendship you least expect often turns out to be the most enduring. The love you give to cats, they will spread it to the ones they cherish. Cats have tons of friends, so you don't have to worry about them getting lonely. One has the stories underwater. One has the house's secrets. Such a perfect couple. Sleep well, buddy. I'm here to look after your sweet dream and find my food. I think from now on, Kitty has known about loving the children. It's rare for one to be invited to a cat sleepover, so consider it an honor, Goat.
What are you doing? That's the bunny cage. Jasper.
Those eyes seem more puzzled, but who knows? Maybe Cat is meeting an old friend. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.